Good evening, students. Warm welcome for another important lecture and class on student solid state. Till now, student, our journey of solid state has been very good. We have started
Yes, sir.
with closed pack structure, one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional. Then we have discussed the number of octahedral and tetrahedral void students. We have done numericals on that also, students. Then we have discussed the packing efficiency, student. Tell me which is the most
Yes, sir.
efficient packing, which is the most efficient packing which you have seen,
Sir, it is HCP or CCP.
or FCC. Huh? How much
Yes, sir.
percentage is the packing efficiency? What is the percentage of packing efficiency in FCC
74%.
and in BCC?
BCC it was 68%.
And what is the percentage of void space in simple cubic?
For simple cubic it was 47.6.
Okay. What is the packing fraction for BCC?
Packing fraction for BCC 68 by 100.
Okay. Give me the number. Packing fraction 0.68 you are saying?
0.68.
Okay.
68 by 100.
What is the packing fraction in FCC, students?
In FCC 74 by 100 or 0.74.
You can see that when choices are given, student, they can ask anything. It's not that every time what is written in the book, packing efficiency, packing void efficiency can be asked, or the fraction of the void space can be asked. Any type of questions are possible, students. We should be prepared for everything. And one more thing before I begin here, one more important relationship I want to tell you for which questions could be there, students. The nearest neighbor distance, many times it is being asked student in large number of exam, especially in NEET and other papers. This is being asked nearest neighbor. What is the nearest neighbor?
Uh,
What do you mean
the
by nearest
coordination
neighbor,
number,
students?
the sphere which is touching the atom,
Now
nearest to the atom.
will it be same for the simple cubic, BCC or FCC? That is our question, student.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
There could be question on that, students, that the relationship between radius edge length and nearest neighbor distance, student, is very important. Many questions are there in this. Let us see what I'm trying to tell you. I don't want to miss anything because this is very important. Okay, let us see, student, what I mean by in solid state, the nearest neighbor concept is used to find out the radius of the atom. For example, student, I am saying simple cubic unit cell. In this simple cubic unit cell, student, what is the condition? What is the condition, student? I told you that if I consider one face of this student, you are having this students. So this at the corner, student, at the corner, what is happening? These two atoms are touching.
Yes, sir.
This is the nearest neighbor. This is the nearest neighbor in simple cubic.
Okay.
The nearest neighbor distance, student, this is R, this is R. And this is the edge length A. Therefore, the nearest neighbor distance, student, D. Nearest neighbor, pay attention to everything, student. One word,
Yes, sir.
everything. D is equal to, student, here A. D is equal to, what is A, student? A is the edge length.
Edge length.
A is the edge length, student. Okay. So for simple cubic, I am saying the distance between the nearest neighbor D is equal to AB. This is my AB, student. AB. AB is equal to A. And you know what is the relationship between A and R? Tell me what is the relationship between A and R, student. For simple cubic, very important.
A is equal to 2R.
Okay. A is equal to 2R, student. So R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to A by 2. This radius is also equal to A and D are equal D by 2. D by 2. So D is the nearest distance is 2R. D is equal to 2R. So it depends, students. Now this nearest neighbor has been asked many times. So the we should know the relationship between the nearest neighbor, nearest neighbor. Okay, student. Now I am talking of BCC, student. In BCC, student, what happens in BCC? What happens in BCC, student? There is a body. There is a atom at the body center, students.
Yes, sir.
How did we show you the body center, student? For example, if I say some way, I'm not showing the complete picture, student. Are you aware of that? This drawing is not good because it is not up to the mark, student, right? Because how did we show the body center, student? You had one at the body. This is touching
And 2 at the
and
corners.
this is touching. So this was, what was this? What was the AB for body center, student? What was AB equal to? We determined AB and R relationship for body centered. What is this AB length, student, which we determined for body centered? B
AB was 4R.
4R is equal to what, student? 4R was
The last 4R is equal to root 3A. A is equal to 4R by root 3.
4R was equal. This length was, student, how much? Edge length was this
Root
was root
3A.
3A.
Root
Root
3A.
3A. This complete AB is student root of 3A. ठीक है? The
Yes,
nearest
sir.
neighbor distance is this half of this, half of this. So what will be half of this then? Root of 3A by 2. That will be the nearest neighbor distance. Because this atom is touching this atom.
Yes,
So
sir.
that this nearest neighbor is that one which touches. So
Yes, sir.
this will be what distance the two will be touching from the radius, student? Root of 3 by 2a. ठीक है? So
Okay.
D is equal to, student, for this BCC, the nearest neighbor distance, nearest, pay attention, neighbor distance is how much? Root of
Root
3
3
by 2a.
2A.
Root 3a is the total length.
Okay.
And this, you know, half of that. See? Or this one also root 3a by 2. Sometimes they have asked you question, student, in BCC, the nearest neighbor distance is, they will give you 4 values. How much is that? This value you should remember, root 3a, we have calculated last
Yes, sir.
time for the, you know, in the previous lectures, we have calculated this value. For the BCC, we calculated. So
Yes, sir.
students, this nearest neighbor distance for the BCC is how much? Root of 3a.
Root 3 by 2.
ठीक है? And A, you already know the relationship between R and A.
Yes, sir.
4R is equal to root 3 by 4.
Root 3 by 2.
So that we have also calculated, student, condition. This is a condition for BCC, student, condition for the BCC. That means R is equal to 0.0443A or D is equal to 0.866. So students, we can calculate the values of the distances between the nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbor. All right. Now for FCC, if we want to calculate the nearest neighbor along faced diagonal or FCC student. For FCC, what will be the value of this nearest neighbor? What FCC we told you, what is the in FCC student? This was body diagonal. This was my body diagonal student. And in this, it was face diagonal. What
Yes,
is
sir.
this? Face diagonal student. Face diagonal is different from the body diagonal.
Body diagonal.
So for the face diagonal, what was the value of this AB? This AB, which you calculated, student, this is a root of 2A.
Root 2a.
This AB is equal to root 2A student.
Root 2a.
And half of this will be the nearest neighbor distance. The atoms were touching like this.
That is root 2 by 2, 1 by root 2.
So the nearest neighbor distance, nearest neighbor distance student is how much? Which I am saying d will be equal to root 2a by 2 student.
2.
That is 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2a.
So students, this is an important thing, because here don't get confused. This is not face diagonal. This is, I am saying, body diagonal. This is face diagonal. The atoms are at the face diagonal. If you have been shown these complete pictures of FCC, BCC in the previous lecture, students. In the previous lecture, you have seen these FCC, BCC diagrams are there, student. We have also told you the relationship between A and R, very, very important. This is your FCC. See the face diagonal. This is the face diagonal, student, in FCC. That is square root of 2A, square root of 2A.
Yes, sir.
And in the case of BCC, this was a BCC, student. You can say body diagonal, body diagonal. This is root of 3A. This value is root of 3A, correct?
Yes, sir.
So don't get confused in those. That's what we have already shown you. The nearest neighbor idea is clear to you now, students. There
Yes,
is a
sir.
question on that. There have been questions. That's why I brought that. Nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor. So one thing I can say, student, nearest neighbor, NEGH, neighbor distance, and A is my edge length, student. R is the radius of the atom, student. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
For SC simple cubic, what is the relationship between nearest neighbor distance is D, student. So what is the relationship between D and A, student, for the simple cubic?
For simple cubic, D is equal to A.
And A is equal to 2R.
2R.
For BCC, students, D is equal to, what is the nearest neighbor distance?
D is equal to root 3 by 2A.
Root of 3 by 2A. What is A, student?
Edge length.
What is the
A, okay, value. Value for
A
A
and
was
R?
4R by root 3.
A is equal to
4R by root 3.
4 by root 3R. ठीक है?
Yes.
For FCC, students,
For FCC, D is equal to A by root 2. A
1
by
by
root 2.
root 2A. ठीक है? And A
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to
2 root 2R.
A is equal to 2 root 2R, students. All right. What is the coordination number, student, for simple cubic?
Coordination for simple cubic 6.
What is the coordination number for BCC?
8.
What is the coordination number for FCC?
12.
12. 12. What is the rank, student, for simple cubic? Z. Number of atoms per unit cell.
1.
No, wait a minute. Number of atoms per unit cell. How much? 1.
1.
What is the rank for BCC?
It was 2.
What is the rank for FCC?
For FCC 4.
Oh. Let me tell you, this information you should note it down very clearly, student. Very important table. You can take a screenshot or anything. There is a question in the paper, student, based on this and numerical on this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Something is very important, student. We should know it. We should know it very clearly. This table is very important, very important. Simple cubic, BCC. One question is there in the paper from this table. Any paper you can see. How they ask it, that is their choice. And what is the number of tetrahedral voids? If n is the number of atoms per unit cell. Tetrahedral void 2n. What is the number of
2n.
octahedral voids?
N.
N. N is the atoms per unit cell. So I hope this table is absolutely clear. You should have with you information, student. Simple question and you know it, you answer it. 1 mark. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now this idea is clear. Nearest neighbor distance D. D is the nearest neighbor distance, student. All right. Okay. Nearest neighbor distance. Okay. Okay. Coming to the another part, student, density calculations. Calculations involving unit cell. There is going to be one question on this in the paper. And mostly numerical, mostly numerical. Every year, 100% question one from this unit cell dimension, student, unit cell dimension. What is a unit cell dimension, student? What do you mean by unit cell dimension? What are the dimensions of the unit cell, students? What I mean by that? You are using A as length, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And you have R as the radius of the atom, ठीक है? And
Yes,
you
sir.
have Z, student, which is a rank. What is rank, student? Number of atoms per unit?
Number of atoms per unit cell.
Per unit cell. Okay, very good. And atoms have a molar radius, molar mass, ठीक है? What is
Yes, sir.
M is the molar mass
Molar
of the
mass.
atom, student. What are the units? Gram per mole, student. Be careful, every word is important. ठीक है? Every word is important. And Na, I'm saying, is Avogadro's number, student. Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? What is Avogadro's number? 6.022, 10 power
into 10 raised to 23.
3. This is a number of atom molecules or particles, student. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If m is the mass of each atom, ठीक है? M is the mass of the atom. So we have, these are the dimensions, student, of a unit cell. When a unit cell is made, student, it will have these parameters. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes,
As
sir.
length, radius, how many atoms per unit cell, what is the atom molar mass of atom, student. If it is a silver crystal, then the molar mass of silver, molar mass of copper, sodium, whatever it is made up of. And you know that unit cell is the smallest portion, student. And m, how much mass is there in the unit cell? How much mass is there in the unit cell, student? That will depend on the mass of the atom. Unit cell is made up of atoms, so the mass will be decided by the mass of the atoms. ठीक है?
Atoms.
Now these are the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
unit cells These we can calculate either of these, student, whatever values we have written. Question can be asked on either of these. So what we define, student, density of the unit cell, student. The density of the unit cell means the density of the substance, students. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
By if I say the density of the unit cell of silver is give this much, that will mean this is the density of the substance silver element
Yes, sir.
of it is
Yes,
made
sir.
up of. The density, what the density means, student, in what we, how we define density, you already know the density formula, student. What is density, student? So density we define by which number? If I say that D is my density, student, what is the density of a unit cell? Density of a unit cell will be equal to, student,
Mass by volume.
mass of the unit cell
By volume.
per unit cell. ठीक है? By volume per unit cell,
Yes, sir.
per unit cell I am saying now. And if M is the mass of one atom and the Z is the rank, then what is the mass of the atom, student? What is the mass per unit cell of the atoms? Z into M, mass of the atom, and what is the volume of the unit cell? If A is the edge length, student, then what it becomes? A cube. ठीक है? This is the
Yes,
formula
sir.
of the density,
Okay.
students. Now,
Okay.
what is the relationship between M and what is this? How do you calculate the molar mass, student? Molar mass, or what is M? What is M, student? M is nothing but the molar mass. That is, what is this? Molar mass is the mass. This is a per mole. That means gram per mole. ठीक है? Gram per mole.
Okay.
What are the units of molar mass? Gram per mole. And what is the Avogadro number? Number of particles. Number of particles
Particle.
per mole, student. ठीक है? So this is the mass. Then M is equal to, student, M by Na. ठीक है? So replace this.
Okay.
What will you get? D is equal to Z M, then divided by A cube into
Na.
Na, Avogadro's number. So student, this is the formula of the density of a unit cell. And what is A for simple cubic? A is equal to, what is the relationship between A and R? A is equal to,
For simple cubic, A is equal to 2R.
all right. For BCC, A is equal to
4 by root 3 into R.
4 by root 3R. For FCC,
2A is equal to 2 root 2R.
A is equal to 2 root 2R. That is why we define now this will be kept here. So we can use this value, student, in this to find the density of the unit cell. Radius of the atom is given. Then I can apply that formula, students.
Okay.
So these values are known to us. A is equal to 2R, BCC, A is equal to 4 by. That's why I said they are very important, should be remembered, because in numericals, we will have to use them, students, use them.
Okay.
And usually you have seen the units are important because M you are using gram per mole, student. M you are using in gram per mole, student. Then we should be careful. A usually is given in picometer, student. What is picometer? 1 picometer is 10 minus 12 meter.
12. 12
That means
meters.
10 minus 10 centimeter
Yes, sir.
into 100, 10 minus 10 centimeter. Pico. So 10 minus picometer, meter, 10 minus 10 centimeter. So, students, we should be careful of the units. We should be careful of the units which will be given to us in these questions. Therefore, students, these
Okay.
formula which we have defined is very important as one question 100% is coming in the exam based on density. ठीक है?
Okay.
All right. So this is the same thing which we have derived here. As you can see, formula when formula is important, student, and coming in the exam, then we must be able to mark it. Student density is equal to, these are the relationships we are using, student, for our numericals. So students, you have marked with red pen the information where you are going to get one question of 3 marks and very easy to score it. 3 marks you can easily get it, no problem. And one question is coming, so it is good bonus for the students who can know it and who can do it. Those who can't, then there is no escape for that. We cannot help them. Okay. All right, so our session of practice will begin. We have already told you what is the relationship between A and R, student. Question number one is coming, student, on the screen. Numericals are going to be asked, student. Question number one on the screen, student. Now, what it says, students. X-ray diffraction studies show that copper crystallizes in FCC unit, student, with cell edge length 3.608 into 10 minus 8 centimeter, student. ठीक है, 3 into 10 minus 8 centimeter. In a separate experiment, copper is determined to have a density of 8.92 gram per centimeter. Calculate the atomic mass of copper, student. Calculate the atomic mass of copper. You have 1 to 2 minutes to answer the question, students.
Yes, sir.
Copper crystallizes in FCC.
Sir, answer is 63.1 gram per mole.
Okay. All right. Let us see, student. FCC, how will you write in paper, student? What is the Z value?
4.
Number of atoms per unit cell. 4, students.
Yes, sir.
Every, you know the marking, I will tell you the marking. If you have to write each and every step. Copper crystal FCC unit. Cell edge length, student, A is equal to 3.608
0.8 into 10 raised to power
minus
minus 8.
8 centimeter. In a separate, copper is determined to have a density of the copper is how much? 8.92
0.92
gram
per
centimeter
crystal
moles.
cube.
Up to now, we have only written the information which is given. You have to calculate the molecular or atomic mass of the copper. You don't know. Tell me what is the formula of the density, student? Z
Z
again,
into M upon A cube into Na.
a cube into n. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
The question is carrying student 2 marks. ठीक है? In the exam. Now, what do you want to calculate m? What is
Yes,
m,
sir.
student? D
A cube
na
upon
divided
Z.
by
Z.
z. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, what is that density, student?
8.92.
What is a cube, student?
3.608 into 10 raised to power minus 8 whole cube.
Okay. 3.608 10 power minus 8 सेंटीमीटर द क्यूब. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
a cube. What is n, a student?
6.022 into 10 raised to power 23.
6.022 10 power 23 एटम पर मोल. ठीक है? What is the z, student?
4.
4 atoms. What is the answer coming?
63.1.
Okay. We should, the best way will be in the exam 8.92, 3.608 into 6.022. Collect this divided by 4. What are the 10 powers? Minus 24
Minus 24.
and plus 23
Plus 20.
and minus 1.
Minus 1.
All right. So then it is easy. You can cancel any of these number. What is the answer? 63 point.
63.1.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
You will write all the units in the paper. Students, you will get half mark for that. If you
Okay.
do not write any units, half mark will be deducted. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The grading is done, students, like this. Half, 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 and half. Get 2 marks. If you miss anything, answer, nobody is interested to see the answer. First, steps should be clear.
Okay.
Each step is marked, student. Half marks will be given for the correct units, students. So students who will use the units, they have a advantage. Even if the answer is wrong, student, you are getting marks. And if you write in one line everything, a lot of students do one line, then what will you get? You know you are losing marks, student, then yourself. Okay. I hope you have noted everything, student.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Why we are doing it? Because one question is coming in the paper. From the previous experience, every year there is one question, 2 to 3, sometimes 3 marks question is given. So you are very good and happy student. Question number 2, students. You have 1 to 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes to answer the question, student. Silver form CCP lattice and X-ray studies of its crystal show that edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Calculate the density of the silver. Silver forms. First thing is CCP students.
Yes, sir.
CCP, what is the value of Z?
4.
Number of atoms per unit cell. How many student?
4.
4. Edge length student A
408.6 picometers.
picometer. ठीक है. Calculate the density atomic mass of the silver student. How much?
107.9 U.
So I put it like 107.9 gram per mole. ठीक है. Because I need. But then you have to change this picometer into which unit student? Gram per
Meter.
mole I am using. Gram per mole I am using student.
So in centimeter.
Or you can convert it into students. How much? 408.6 into
10
10
raised to power
minus 10 meter
minus 10
is equal to minus
minus 10
12,
centimeter
12 minus 12 meter.
minus 12
That's
meters. Yes, sir.
wait a minute because I don't want to do any error unnecessarily students. There are difficulties to the students which they face in the paper other units. ठीक है. 10 minus 12 meter which will mean 408.6 into 10
10
minus
raised to
10
minus 10 centimeter.
Here units student, a lot of mistakes are there in the units. You will see every year all the mistakes are coming here. Okay, then you have A is equal to, this is meter, this is centimeter students. Now what is the formula of the density students? Z
Z into M upon A cube NA.
A cube into N A student. What is the value of N A students?
6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms
Per mole.
mole.
So you have 4 atom into M 107.9 gram per mole.
Yes,
ठीक है. Then A cube is how much?
408.6
into 10
10
minus
raised to power
10
minus 10
centimeter cube
cube
into 6.022 10 power 23 atom per mole student. Okay. What is the value coming student?
It is coming 10.51 gram per centimeter cube.
You have written all the units, everything clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 marks. So you can easily get marks which we should not lose a student. That is the thing. I hope you understand why we are doing that student. Next question is on the screen, students. Next question is on the screen. What is the question, student?
And
Question number 3. An element has body-centered student structure with cell element has BCC structure with cell edge of 220 288 picometer. The density of the element is 7.2 gram centimeter cube. Find gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? Every question you have to understand first before you do it. All right, student, we have to see the information about BCC unit cell. ठीक है? What did it mean, student? What is the number of atoms, student, per unit cell?
2.
Okay. Cell A is equal to 288 picometer, student, and density is given, student, 7.2 gram centimeter. Now this is gram, so I will convert it into 288 straight away. Now I know 10 minus 10
Centimeter.
centimeter. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
10 minus 12 into 100. Now we have learned it. So we are straight away putting like that. The situation is something like this, that this is a unit cell, student.
Yes, sir.
Unit cell. And you know, when it is BCC, what is the story? This line which we have drawn, student, BCC. That is why the number of atoms per unit cell is how many? 2. These corners, student, and these corners, there are atoms here in the BCC.
Yes,
ठीक है?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. As I said, this chapter involves, student, visualization, imagination. In our mind, we have the pictures of what we are doing. Now, the cell edge, if A is the length, student, then what will be the volume of unit cell? Volume of
A.
unit cell is A cube. How much is that? You can
Yes, sir.
say 2.88 into 10 minus, if I divide by 100 and multiply by 100, 10 minus 8 centimeter the cube. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
This is the volume of the one
Okay.
unit cell. Volume of the one unit cell, student. ठीक है? Volume of the one unit
Yes,
cell
sir.
is how much? You have to multiply and see 2.88 the cube into 10 minus 24 centimeter cube. Volume of one unit cell. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now what is given? Density is equal to mass of the unit cell, student, per unit volume. You are given how much mass? 208
208.
gram.
Yes, sir.
You are provided with mass of 208 gram, student, and density is given
7.2.
gram centimeter inverse. So what will be the volume of 208 gram? ठीक है? Of the element.
208 divided by 7.2.
So V is equal to student mass divided by density. How much mass is there? 208
208.
gram divided by 7.2
7.2.
gram centimeter cube, student. How much is this coming?
This will be 28.89.
Okay, 28.89
89.
centimeter cube.
The Q.
The volume of one unit cell is this. So what is the number of unit cells? Number of unit cells, student, in 208 gram of the element.
Number of unit cells will be 28.89 divided by,
Centimeter
this will
cube divided
be
by the volume of one unit cell. How much is that?
2.389 into 10 raised to power minus 23.
Into 10 minus 24 centimeter cube.
This will
Cancels.
be,
So this number is there. What is the value coming?
uh, just 2 minutes, sir. This will be, this will be 12.09 into 10 raised to power 23.
This is the number of the unit cells, student. In one unit cell, how many atoms are there? Two.
2.
So then you are in one unit cell, students. This is BCC. There are two atoms. So what is the total number of atoms, students? What is the total number of atoms, students?
12.09 into 10 to the power 23 into 2.
What is the total number of atoms in 208 gram of the element, students? 2 into 12.09 into 10 power 23 atoms. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
How much it is coming? 24 point whatever it is. 24.18 into 10 power 23, students, atoms. If you say how many moles are there, you want to find how many moles. How many moles will be there, student, in this? 24.18 10 power 23 divided by 6.022 power.
6.022. 23.
How many moles it is coming? If I cancel 6 for then 4 moles.
Yes, sir.
4 moles.
4 moles.
There are 4 moles in how many grams?
208 grams.
Then what is the molar mass? Question could be put in any ways. Then what is the molar mass, student? Then what is molar mass, student? Grams per mole. What is gram per mole, student? How much is it? 288. How much
288
no,
divided
how much was the gram given? 208
208.
divided by 4.
4.
How much?
This will be 4 5s are 20. 52.
52 gram per mole. You can see that question can be changed, students. They can ask you find the molecular mass of this on this information.
Okay.
That is why I have gone beyond the answer to explain to you, student, that as soon as I said the dimensions of the unit cell means what, student? There is a question in the paper, the dimension of the unit cells can provide information about 4 choices. Then again, you are seeing that there are how many parameters? So any of these can be
3.
calculated.
Okay.
Even this is used for calculation of the molar mass. This is used for the calculation of Avogadro's number. That is why it is important. One formula has got how much application, students? See the important point I am trying to tell you. Every question I am solving, I am taking time, students. I am not hurrying up. I can do it. That okay, you know it, you can solve it. No, that is not my point. Every word will give you a mark, student, and question will be twisted and changed. Clear? And don't expect
Yes, sir.
कि if I write a statement, that question is coming. That question can be changed to students. Questions from the book will be taken, changed, and little one line is changed, students are out because they have not any practice of doing question. The practice is important. More variety of questions you do, better you will become. So I try to give you maximum information. Is going to help in your need paper a lot, students. All right, you got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question on the screen, student. Copper has FCC structure, assuming atomic radius is 130 picometer for copper. What is the length of the unit cell? What is the volume of the unit cell? How many atoms belong to the unit cell? Find the density of the copper. This question was getting 3 marks, student. So you are getting 3 marks. Interesting. Every line is being graded. Those who do not write the steps, what they will get? Nothing. Nothing they will get. All right, students.
Yes, sir.
The time is over. Important question, student. Okay. All right. Copper
Yes, sir.
has a FCC crystal structure, student. Copper. FCC. What is the value of Z, student? What is the rank?
4.
What is the number of atoms per unit cell? How much you are saying?
4.
4. Okay. Now, assuming the atomic radius is given, student. R is given. How much? 130 picometer, student. 130 picometer. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And what else is given? Molar mass of copper. 63.54 gram per mole. Given
Yes, sir.
first A part. What is the length of the unit cell, student? Length of the unit cell. You have to find the A.
A is equal to 2 root 2 R.
Length of unit cell. For FCC, student, A is equal to
2 root 2 R.
2 root 2R. Okay. Then what is the value of root 2? You know already.
1.414.
2 into 1.414.
1.414.
And what is the radius?
130 into 10 raised to the power minus 10.
Even if I write in picometer first, because in such calculation, it is not even required to convert it. Why should I waste time in the paper if required anyway? What is the answer coming then?
Sir, it is coming 367.64 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeters.
Okay, you are saying
Point seven six
367.64
four
picometer. This is
picometers.
more than sufficient if they don't ask you, because they have not asked you give the in the different units. But if you want to give, then you can change the unit, student. You can change the unit. What is that? 367.64
64 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter.
into 10 minus 10
Centimeter.
centimeter. This is the A value. Okay. What is the B answer? What is the volume of the unit cell, student?
Volume is
Volume
equal to A cube.
of unit cell A cube. So what is that now? 367.64 10 minus 10 cube centimeter cube. What is the answer coming?
It is coming as 4.97 into 10 raised to power minus 23 centimeter cube.
10 minus 23
3 centimeter
centimeter
cube.
cube. Volume V. Okay. How many atoms belong to the unit cell, student? We already said that.
4.
FCC Z is equal to 4, student. Last, find the density, student. What is the formula of the density, student? Z
M
M huh,
upon A cube into Na.
Na. All right, we have already done all this. You are writing Na also now. 6.022 atom per mole. Okay. So put the value, student. 4 into how much?
4
63.
into 63.54.
4 atoms. This is gram per mole, student. And A cube is how much?
A cube is 4.97 into 10 raised to power minus 23.
Centimeter the cube. And Na is 6.022 10 power 23 atoms per mole. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Atom I will cancel. Mole I will cancel. So what is the answer coming, students?
Answer is 8.49 into 10 8.49 gram per centimeter cube.
Okay, something like, I mean,
Yes, sir.
that will be answer acceptable amount. It doesn't matter. If you have shown all the steps, no danger to you, students. So students, this is the way the questions are answered in the paper. This is an important question. It covers so many questions on this. So we have to be able to solve, students, different type of questions on the density. And one question is coming in the paper. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
All right, then we will meet you in our next class. I hope we have been able to solve good amount of questions. There is no end to it. We can do more as the time proceeds. Let us see. We may try to solve some more difficult question next time. Okay, then good night. I will meet you in the next class, students.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.